Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1220, also known as DTC Indicator 56, indicates a short circuit in the Recirculation Control Motor circuit. This trouble code is relevant for the Honda Civic models from 2011 to 2015 and signifies a malfunction that may affect the vehicle's climate control system. The Recirculation Control Motor is an essential component responsible for managing airflow within the vehicle. It helps to direct outside air or recirculate inside air, improving the efficiency of the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning HVAC system. When this motor fails or a short circuit occurs, it may compromise air quality and climate control effectiveness. It is crucial to address this trouble code to ensure proper and efficient cabin temperature control for passengers. The Recirculation Control Motor plays a pivotal role in managing the airflow inside the Honda Civic's cabin. It's located close to the climate control unit, which houses the controls for heating and cooling. The motor facilitates the movement of air between the outside and inside of the vehicle. When activated, it determines whether outside air will enter the cabin or if the interior air will be recirculated. This control is essential for optimizing the car's heating, ventilating, and air conditioning HVAC system performance. If the circuit experiences a short, it can significantly impair the HVAC functions, leading to discomfort for passengers by limiting airflow adjustments and ultimately affecting the driving experience. Several factors can contribute to the DTC B1220 error code. A primary cause is a short circuit in the wiring, which can occur due to wear and tear or exposure to moisture. This issue often stems from the RFDP, Recirculation Control Motor Feed, or S5V, 5-volt power supply lines. Another reason could be a faulty recirculation control motor that fails to operate as intended. Additionally, a damaged climate control unit may not correctly signal the motor, leading to erroneous readings and the triggering of this DTC. Furthermore, loose or corroded electrical connections may interfere with signals sent to and from the motor, jeopardizing the motor's ability to function efficiently. Diagnosing the precise cause is vital for effective repairs. When DTC B1220 is present, several symptoms may be evident in the Honda Civic's operation. The most direct symptom is an inoperative recirculation control motor, leading to a lack of airflow adjustment capability. This condition can result in HVAC system performance issues, where the cabin may either feel too hot or too cold due to forced airflow settings being stuck. Additionally, passengers may experience air quality complaints, as stale or exterior odors might not be properly managed if air cannot be recirculated. Most importantly, the DTC indicator will illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to the presence of a fault needing attention. Recognizing these symptoms early allows for timely diagnosis and repair, maintaining cabin comfort and safety. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1220 involves verifying the reported problem using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Start by clearing the DTC, which resets the vehicle's onboard computer. After clearing, turn the ignition switch to lock, 0, and then back to the on 2 position. Alternatively, if the vehicle features an engine start-stop button, press it to select the off mode, then switch back to on. Following this, perform the self-diagnostic function with the HDS or the climate control unit, a crucial step that tests the HVAC system's components and confirms their operational status. After the diagnostic, check for any DTCs that may still be present. If DTC B1220 is indicated, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. If not, Investigate the possibility of intermittent failures, checking for any loose wires or poor connections within the recirculation control motor circuit. The second troubleshooting step focuses on checking for shorted wires in the recirculation control motor circuit. Begin by turning the ignition switch to the lock 0 position, or select the off mode using the engine start-stop button. Next, disconnect the necessary connectors, the 32P connector from the climate control unit and the 7P connector from the recirculation control motor. This disconnection allows you to isolate the circuit for testing. Check for continuity between specific test points. For the RFD-P line, use Climate Control Unit 32P connector number 9, which has a light green wire, and check it against a body ground. For the S5V line, use Climate Control Unit 32P connector number 16, which has a black wire. If you find continuity, it indicates a short to body ground exists within the wiring, and repairs to the wiring should be made. If there is no continuity, the wiring between the climate control unit and the recirculation control motor is likely okay, allowing for further diagnostics. The final troubleshooting step requires testing the recirculation control motor itself to determine its functionality. After confirming that wiring issues are not the cause, it is essential to assess whether the motor is operating as it should. If the motor tests as functional, the next course of action is to replace the climate control unit, as it may be sending incorrect signals to the motor. On the contrary, if the recirculation control motor is found to be faulty during the test, it must be replaced to restore the vehicle's HVAC system capabilities. This step is critical, as both the motor and climate control unit significantly influence air circulation and interior comfort. While completing this testing, always ensure to follow specific guidelines in the service manual to guarantee precision in diagnosis and subsequent repairs. Upon completing the necessary repairs related to DTC B1220, it is crucial to verify the effectiveness of these repairs. Beginning by clearing the DTC using the Honda Diagnostics system again ensures that the system resets and allows for an accurate test of the repairs. Following this, test the overall functionality of the HVAC system to confirm that it operates correctly and the recirculation control motor is responsive as intended. Monitor the system to check for any recurring issues after repairs. Finally, seek confirmation from the driver regarding their satisfaction with the cabin air management and temperature control. This final verification step ensures that the repair not only resolves the diagnostic trouble code, but also meets the expected performance standards, maintaining the vehicle's comfort. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoiding issues like DTC B1220 in the future. Regular inspections of wiring that connect the climate control systems will help identify wear and tear before they escalate to major faults. It's also vital to keep connectors clean and free from corrosion, as debris or oxidation can hinder performance and lead to DTC incidents. Periodically testing the operation of motors, including the recirculation control motor, can also avert malfunction, allowing issues to be addressed early on. Whenever replacements or repairs are necessary, always opt for original equipment manufacturer (OEM) parts to ensure compatibility and reliability. These practices will contribute significantly to the longevity and efficiency of the HVAC system in the Honda Civic, protecting it from similar issues over time. In conclusion, DTC B1220 signifies a short circuit in the recirculation control motor circuit in Honda Civic models from 2011 to 2015. The verification process begins with using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear and identify any present codes. Conducting thorough checks of the wiring and components involved is essential, ensuring that any faults are addressed promptly to restore operational capacity. Remember that addressing any electrical issues at the onset can prevent more significant problems down the road. Implementing preventive maintenance serves as a robust strategy to mitigate the occurrence of DTC B1220 in the future. By adopting these methods, vehicle owners can enhance the reliability and performance of their vehicle's climate control system, ultimately leading to a more satisfying driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.